Okay, let's say I have this territory here, Mike South. And let's say in there I happen to turn on hospitals and maybe all the public schools. Well, maybe I want this out. So now you can do this. I can click on the territory in question, and I can easily just export the list to a zip file. And there it is. And so it downloaded it. So we'll take a look at that zip file. Looking at it, there it is. And there's all the public schools, all the data for that one territory. And we look at the other one that's there, and the hospitals. So those are the list of the hospitals. So anything you have that appears here, or you turn on even, like if I turned off hospitals, it'll just show the schools in that list. And it's dynamic too, so as you change things, it'll reflect.